Stormy's training. She's never gone down the ramp and she's scared. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on, baby. Come on. You can come on. You got this, baby. Come on. You got this. Yay! Good girl. Good girl, baby. You did it. Here. You treats. Good girl. Good baby. We're going to go outside and continue training. So we're trying this ramp for the first time with the scooter. Stormy's concerned. Watch out, baby. It won't go up anymore with the slow speed. Now I gotta turn around. We're getting some skills here. Watch out, baby. I know. Watch out. Be back. Be back. She's like, we're going outside. Uh-huh. No, you're excited. She loves going outside. It's raining, so we can't really take the scooter out, but we're going to go walking. Walk training. Now I got to do this. Stormy's so excited.